Understanding the Idiom, Pushing Daisies. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, pushing daisies. This phrase is a colorful part of the English language, often sparking curiosity among learners. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage together. Pushing daisies is an idiom used to humorously or euphemistically refer to someone being dead and buried. In this expression, daisies represent the flowers that might grow on a grave, and pushing implies that the person is under the ground, causing the daisies to grow above them. It's a light-hearted way to talk about death without using direct language. The phrase, pushing daisies, is believed to have originated in the 20th century. It's part of a long tradition in English of using euphemisms for death. These types of phrases are used to soften the subject, which can be sensitive or uncomfortable for many people. 1. Context. It's important to use pushing daisies in an appropriate context. Since it's a light-hearted phrase, it's best used in casual or informal situations. 2. Tone. Be mindful of the tone. This phrase should not be used in serious or formal discussions about death, as it can be seen as disrespectful. 3. Examples. 4. Since he's been pushing daisies, I've taken over his responsibilities. 5. Remember Uncle Joe? He's been pushing daisies for a decade now. There are other idioms with similar meanings. Kicked the bucket. Another humorous way to say someone has died. Bit the dust. Slightly more casual. Often used to refer to the end or failure of something, not just death. And that's a wrap on the idiom, pushing daisies. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a colorful phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms like these can add flair to your language but should be used with consideration for context and audience. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.